It's fall, and you know what that means? Pumpkin season. And this creamy pumpkin pie smoothie has all the cozy fall feels and is the perfect healthier pumpkin pie alternative. Just a few simple ingredients and you've got yourself a protein-packed drink for on the go. I'll show you how to make it, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. It's fall and you know what that means? Pumpkin season, and the perfect time to make this healthier pumpkin pie smoothie. And one trick for healthy smoothies is replacing sugar or syrups with dates. So I'd like to mahalo Foodland Hawaii for sponsoring this video. All thoughts and opinions are my own, but I will be using these today. These are dried fancy Medjool dates. They can be found at your local Foodland and they are great to use in smoothies or anything where you want to replace sugar with a healthier alternative. Let's get started. Super simple and super yummy, and it's a great healthy alternative. So first, these dates, which are very nutritious, they're high in fiber and also antioxidants, so it's a great thing. But you can get them dried, they come dried here, but inside there's a pit, so you want to take that pit out. So it's kind of sticky, but all you have to do is kind of pull it apart like this, and in the middle there's a pit. Then all you have to do is take that part out. We don't want that. Same thing for the other one. It is a little bit sticky, so you just take that out. What I like to do is put that in the blender first with the liquid to kind of break it down. Unless you have a really good high power blender, if you throw it in all together with everything, sometimes it doesn't get blended down well, then you suck up a chunk of it, and that's not so fun, right? So 2 of these dates go into the blender, and then I'm going to be using unsweetened almond milk, vanilla, but you can use whatever milk alternative of your choice. If you want regular milk or any other nut milk, if you don't like the vanilla flavored one, you can get the plain one, that's fine too. So like I mentioned, liquid and the dates first. So we're just gonna pulse that up a little bit to get the dates to kind of break down, okay? So as you can see, the little chunks, so when you blend it down like that, it kind of gives it a head start to everything else. Try not to make a mess when you take the cap off. Then we're gonna add some also vanilla flavor, Greek yogurt if you want plain, or different yogurt if you want. You can do ice cream. Makes it a little less healthy that way, but totally up to you. Recipes are just guidance. It's not a steadfast, you absolutely have to make it this way. This is just a fun way to keep it on the lighter side. So yogurt in, and then you want to get pumpkin puree. This is regular pumpkin, not pumpkin pie, so there's no other mix-ins or anything like that. That's also gonna go into the smoothie. Pumpkin is a good source of nutrition as well. And then frozen banana. Now, it started to defrost. The frozen banana helps give it texture. There's a little bit of a banana flavor in there, but it's not strong. The pumpkin flavor really takes over. Vanilla extract. This one's homemade. If you want to check out how to make it, you can check out the card here or in the description box below. Speaking of description box, the full written recipe and directions are in the description box as well. And then pumpkin pie spice. It just smells like fall. This one is store-bought. If you want to make your own, you totally can as well. And you'll put that in. And lastly, some ice. If you like pumpkin and you're all about pumpkin season, let me know. And if you like these videos, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a new video. And then we gotta blend it up. So lid back on. And get ready. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll take it off and just kind of give it a little shake just to move things around to make sure it's all getting out from the bottom of the blades. And depending on your blender, after 30 seconds, a minute or so, you've got yourself this delicious smoothie. Don't mind my cap, it broke. The lid fell down and the little cap broke off. So blender, if you wanna send me a new one. But anyway, so take the cup of choice. You can top this with whipped cream or cinnamon. And you've got yourself a delicious fall treat that's protein packed and good for on the go. Cheers! And that's how you make a pumpkin pie smoothie that's healthier. So good. Enjoy!